Want to replace the handle of your vacuum cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver and a new handle. Step 1. Remove the telescopic tube. The telescopic tube is often attached to the handle with a click system. Click in and remove the telescopic tube. Step 2. Remove the old handle. You can now detach the handle from the tube. Some models have an extra handle over it. Use a screwdriver to flip up the latch and then remove the extra handle. You can now unclip the handle and take it out. Step 3. Insert the new handle. Snap the new handle onto the hose. When necessary, also click the extra handle back into place. Step 4. Replace the telescopic tube. You can now snap the telescopic tube back onto the handle. You have replaced the handle and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.